Yeah, okay. Good afternoon. This is how you're going to like register your UK SIM, like for you to be able to top up your SIM. This is the first step. The first step you're going to take is you're going to be downloading this mobile recharge app. Download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you download it, you just have to like input your details, do some registration, like register your number, put your number, your name, and everything is done. Then you can see here, this is my information right here. Once I open my information, you're going to see my information here. These are my informations here. Let me just click on my information here. And okay, sorry, let me just put it on do not disturb. Messages are just entering. This is my information. Then let me go back to the app. We'll go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store so you can see that the app is already on Play Store. Those of you that are using O2, but for those of us that have this three network has their own official app too. So let me go to my Play Store, and this is my Play Store right here. Yeah, I'm going to search for the app here, mobile recharge. Okay, mobile recharge. This is it. This is the app. I'll click on it, and there are so many apps here, and this is the particular app. This is it. Mobile recharge, mobile top up. This is the app you're going to download. Okay, once you download the app now, you can see my own is already downloaded. I just have to update it, but I don't want to update it now. So that is the app right here. It's showing me uninstall because I already downloaded the app. The app is already in my mobile phone. So I'll have to minimize and come back to the mobile recharge app. Where's the mobile recharge? Okay, this is the app. I'll click on it. Click on it. Once it opens, I'll have to show you what you have to do, how you're going to top up your international number. You can see these are my details right here. This is my own UK number here. This is the address. Remember, I told you if you want to top up, you have to be very careful. If you want to top up, use gray dollar card. If you don't know how to top up, don't do it. Like, you can actually call for my services and I'll help you to top up, because if you do any mistake here, your money is gone. Your money is gone. We are talking about 10 $10 here, be £10 here, £5, £10 here. So you click on this travel. These are travel eSIMs. You can see travel eSIM here, you can see gift card here. So the option we are going to click right here is mobile recharge. This up one here, this is what we're going to click, mobile recharge. So once you click on mobile recharge, this is where you're going to like select the country. For instance, let me say your SIM is UK physical SIM. Now you're going to like click to select United Kingdom. That's the option you're going to select. This is it, United Kingdom. If you're using a US phone, you can choose United States, but since we are using O2 and this is United Kingdom and these are the network here, so you check for your network, your SIM network. You can see Vodafone, you can see Lilka, you can see 3, see O2. Since your own SIM is O2, you can see Lebara, you can see EE. So many of them here. So many of them here. So you just have to like select your network provider. You have to select network provider. This is 3 here, and this is O2. Those of you using O2, you can select O2. So I will select O2 here. Then this is where I'm going to impute my UK number here, but I'm not going to put in my number. I just type a random number here. I'm just trying to make this video to show you guys so you know how you're going to top up, because so many people are actually asking me, like they are eating me up because of this top up stuff. And this is £10 here. £10 here is going to give you $14. Okay, going for £10, this is the amount you're going to top up, and they're going to charge you a fee of like $2, 14, let me say a total of $16 if you're going for the $10 top up. Okay, if you're going for the $10 top up, yeah, this is the charges here. The processing fee is 2.03, amount to a total of $16.83. So that is what you're going to pay for the top up. So under here you're going to put your details, you're going to put your phone number, your name, your UK number. But I'm not actually using my UK number here. I have a US number which I imputed here. Then your residential address. These are the information that you're going to get from your dollar card that you want to use to top up. So you're going to impute the information just the same way they are on your dollar card. So you put your details here and you click on place order. So once you click on place order, it's going to be processing. Like, it's going to show that okay, processing, because I did not impute my card details here. I'm just trying to like make this video as an illustration to show you how you're going to